Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Salesforce dark mode. All right, it is pretty easy to do. First up, you're going to want to go to your extensions manager right here. If you can't see extensions in this area, just go ahead and tap on the three dots or the three horizontal lines. Click on it and click on extensions. All right. And once you're in here, just go ahead and click on visit web store. Now on the web store, all you have to do is just look for Salesforce dark theme. All right. Again, Salesforce dark theme. Once done, just hit on enter and then go ahead and make sure that you click on this first search result. All right. With this logo, click on it and go ahead and click on add to Brave, add to Chrome, or add to Firefox, depending on your specific browser. And once done, there'll be a pop-up right here. Just click on add extension and wait for it to process. And once done, go ahead and go back to your Salesforce website. Now in here, go ahead and to open up the extension, Salesforce dark theme, click on it. And here we have our sliders off on. As you can see, there's nothing happening. Just go ahead and make sure that you whitelist the developer console like that, and then refresh the page. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.